What is up, everybody? Hope you guys are having a great day out there. Today in this video, we're going to be reacting to delivery drivers versus animals, and we'll see what happens. There's some crazy mopeds in here. I hope you guys enjoy. Let's go ahead and watch it.
Hello, everyone.
Oh, no.
Think traffic is a delivery driver's biggest enemy? Think again.
Oh, I thought the car was going.
Their real nightmare is German Shepherds. Here are some of the craziest encounters delivery drivers have had with animals. Let's get it on.
Oh no, at least the window was down. Oh gosh, no. Why is that dog in the bathroom or something?
Right. Yeah.
Okay, I ask every now and then because I know it's porch pipe is around. That is a big cat.
I know.
Wow.
Is she pregnant?
No, she's just fat.
Yo, that's a fat cat.
She's just big.
What's her name, fat cat?
October.
October. Well, she ate a lot of cats.
Bro, are you seriously? What the?
Whoa. I hear the birds attack you.
Bro, get the fuck.
It was off top, but I have a bird in the back of my house, like when I try to walk up my driveway. This bird comes in and tries to attack me. It's super annoying. It's one of those like little blue jay. It's like a blue bird. Super annoying.
Starlings and mockingbirds don't mess around during nesting season.
Come
on, man.
Gosh, no. Why are they locked up? No.
You'll understand why he took out the pepper spray in 3, 2, 1.
Oh no, it's a cat. Whoa.
Who's boss? Who's boss around here? You see? I'm glad your owners are smart enough to make this super high.
Yeah, good for
Yes,
them.
because you guys big. Yes, I know. Huge. You're freaking huge. Not even just...
Right. You look funny though. Let's see, I wouldn't chance it. Oh gosh.
The delivery driver chose peace over fighting. Smart decision.
Yeah, just leave it there. Just. Oh gosh. Oh no. Dude, that owner's lazy. Look at this guy right here. He's just walking. He's not even running. He's walking toward the dog. That dog, that owner right there should not own a dog like that. He has no control over that dog. Oh gosh.
It's pretty weird.
What was that? Was that a rat? Oh gosh. Hopefully the trash bin doesn't break or anything. Again, why are you walking?
Good thing a neighbor was ready to calm the dogs down.
Oh, that's the neighbor, okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Never mind, that's the neighbor. Whoa.
Oh, you know how to open the door. Okay.
Maybe put the
Well,
put
what
the
do you
sheriff
know?
under there.
Okay. Well, this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this picture, and I'm gonna
Yeah,
dip.
get out of there, man. Oh, look behind you. There's a dog.
Oh my
Oh, he's a friendly.
You scared me, dog.
No, this is a friendly.
Hello, do you have an order?
Yes.
Yeah, that's yours. You're Nicole, yeah? Enjoy, have a nice night.
Thank you.
Oh my god, please.
Come here,
Oh my god,
Come here, son.
oh my god, please take her.
What?
Oh my god.
Dude, I have the same exact dog. That's what my dog does.
What?
Oh my
Come
god,
here.
take her.
It's just a puppet, calm
Yeah, I
down.
know, but I'm scared.
Oh gosh. Hey, that guy's good hot. Hot, I mean.
I gotta say, I see you on the camera.
Oh,
Good
no.
news, this
Dude.
problem was solved a long time ago. It's called a leash.
Why aren't these dogs like in a kennel or something? Oh, cute. It's a little cat. Oh, is it alright? Jeez. Happens to all of us, man. Don't be embarrassed. Is that a moose?
There you go. Oh, I live in here. I live in here.
No, what's wrong? Come on.
The little turkeys. That must be so annoying, dude. I'm sorry I gotta deal with that. I think turkeys are kind of like geese. Aren't they a little mean? They seem not, but they didn't attack them. Oh gosh. Yeah, I would be scared too.
He dodged that cat like a pro.
I think the cat's friendly though. I understand it though, but oh gosh. Oh, dude, why is that dog not on the leash? Oh no,
All right, who scared who more here?
I think he did. That guy was more scared, sorry. Oh gosh. Oh no. 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 Dude. Get that on the bathroom. That's not acceptable. Dude, no.
Get out of here! Get!
Why is that dog, again, why is the dog in the leash or something?
Oh! Hey! Hey!
Oh no.
Now we know why this goat is named Cowboy.
That's a farmer's fault. Alright, this is the last one. Oh no. What the heck?
Hey!
Dude.
Interesting how she didn't seem too eager to calm her dog down.
Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and have a great day out there. Peace out.